Bonjour, crownheads. Miraculous Ladybug, yes, Eddsworld, no TGPPJLA here. And I want to talk to you about something really important. Nature. This being Earth Day is a time to honor the glories of nature, or all of its beautiful aspects. For example, this lovely tree right here. Trees are personally my favorite part of nature because they attract a lot of different animal species. In autumn their leaves are fun to jump in, and my favorite part is that they give us free air without having to buy air conditioners. Meaning we can all breathe it. Yeah, I like to do my deep breaths through a plastic straw, which I reuse, because it's made of plastic, I can reuse it over and over again. It will never deteriorate, ever, which is really eco-friendly. My therapist recommended that I do deep breaths. Like this is how I used to do deep breaths. But then she told me that I had to do it with my mouth closed, so I tried this. Honestly, it's impossible. So she recommended that I do it circularly, like I was sipping through a straw. But I told her that I did not have a straw, and then she said it was imaginary. But I told her that imagination is not compatible with my situation. I needed an actual physical straw. And that's how I can, and that's why, and I've been using this ever since. But back to the point. Nature is a beautiful thing. Even though there are a lot of traumatizing aspects like apex predators, carnivorous plants, natural disasters, it's still a lovely thing to behold. But unfortunately, climate change, litter bugs and the conservative agenda are ruining nature. And if we do not take care of it, there won't be much of nature to go around. So, without further ado, here are 3 incredible ways we can do to fix nature.